Hey, welcome back to the lecture. So once you have your ST board, either Discovery or Nucleo or any other board from ST which is based on ST-Link in-circuit debugger and programmer, then in order to talk to the board successfully, you have to install the ST-Link drivers. The ST-Link drivers, that means the driver for this interface. This is the ST-Link in-circuit debugger and programmer, isn't it? Now, the driver for Windows 32, 64-bit, these versions, it is available in ST's website. So we can directly go there. So just go to this link. And so this is a USB driver for those boards which has this ST-Link circuitry, and at the end you will find the driver. So just download this. So once you download this, go to that folder. So here I have downloaded, and here you will see two applications. So this is for 32-bit and this is for 64-bit. So what you do is connect your board, it could be either Discovery or Nucleo, and just run this software. Now let's click next, and it will install here the WinUSB driver that is required in order to talk to the ST-Link, and other drivers it will install. Here it is. So once you do that, click finish and just see your device manager. Now currently my Nucleo board is connected, and here you will see the COM port, and after that in USB devices you will find ST Microelectronics ST-Link dongle. So you will see this option. So in order to communicate with the board over UART, we use this interface, the same interface, and your host application or host IDE uses this interface. This is an interface used for debugging. Great. Remember that the ST-Link driver installation is very important. Once you have your board, you have to do this. And for Ubuntu, you just have to run these commands on your command prompt to install these packages. And ST doesn't give any drivers specifically for Ubuntu or Mac. So Ubuntu guys, just install these, and for Mac no driver installation is required. Great. Now in the next lecture we will see how we can do ST-Link firmware upgrade. So once you install the ST-Link drivers, you have to upgrade the firmware which is running in the ST-Link circuitry. That we'll see in the next lecture.